Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And welcome to beautiful Laurel, Mississippi, a town in transition right now, thanks in part to the hugely successful television program on HGTV called Hometown. Hometown is being discovered by people from all around the nation. And as I mentioned, a lot of changes taking place in this small southern Mississippi community, but all of that, I think most folks would agree, is for the good. Oh yeah, the traffic's a little more, a few more folks coming into town, and streets like that are being torn up to improve things around here, so to speak. But all in all, this is a pretty nice place to come visit, or maybe spend a lifetime. What do you say we take a little look around and see what your thoughts are on Laurel, Mississippi, and could it be your hometown? We're here with Mike Farland now. He's in charge of guest services with Ben and Erin. Of course, you all know about the big TV show Hometown. The question folks at home may ask, now you said you've been here a couple of years.
Correct.
What do you think the impact of this program has been on the community of Laurel?
It's had a huge impact, not only on tourism as an industry. We now have tourists coming from all over the world to visit Laurel. We also have had tremendous economic impact on our town, on the county of Jones County, and we just have seen growth exponentially over all areas, including people moving to Laurel, having houses, buying real estate, as well as businesses flourishing downtown here that are part of our historic business district here that Ben and Erin have been working on for so many years.
Now, a big question a lot of viewers always want to ask, are Ben and Erin as nice as they seem on television?
They are nicer than they have been on television. They are the nicest people in the whole world. You'll never find anybody more true to themselves as well as to their employees and the people in the community. They are just there to help support and grow this community. That's been job number one from day one.
We're here with Paula and Joe all the way from Orlando, Florida to come to Laurel, Mississippi. The question might be, why in the world did you come to Laurel, Mississippi?
Oh, you can see by the background, we're fans of
Hometown.
Hometown, yeah.
And we're hoping to see Erin and Ben. We're here for a couple of days.
And so far, what have been your impressions of Laurel and the program Hometown? Is it what you expected?
Well, we just got in and we are looking around a little bit. This is our first stop. So it is. I mean,
The town seems a little bigger than we expected as compared to what we saw on TV. We thought it to be real tiny. But the way we came in from the other end of town, so it looks a little bit bigger. But so far, it's been good.
Any chance we're relocating from Orlando to Laurel?
She has a lot of family there, so I'd say no.
All right. Now, the wood stop in the general store, well, that's Ben's domain. But if you head down the street, on Oak Street that is, you want to head over to the Mercantile. And the Mercantile, well, that's kind of Erin's place to be. But trust me, you'll enjoy visiting both. So how was that, friends? Again, we just scratched the surface to what there is to see and do here in Laurel, Mississippi. Who knows? Maybe this will become your hometown, or maybe you'll just come for a visit. Either way you slice it, I don't think you'll be disappointed at all, as people from all over the country continue to come to this charming southern Mississippi community. Until we see you next time, keep subscribing to our channel. That, of course, is Traveling with Jack and Pam. I also invite you to check out my podcast. That, of course, is Love Letters to Pam, The Jack Church Show. Until we see you next time, have a great day. Better yet, make it a better tomorrow. And bye now from beautiful Laurel, Mississippi.